Riwruok mar jota wuodhe mag ndeke Kenya Association of Air Operators onyiso od bura mondo mi kikro chenro mar osuru masani tie sekta no kaka yor geng'o medruok e nengo mwandu mag loso ndege. Tende riwruogno ma ochopi nyim komiti mar omenda chalo pachgi e wi paro mar chik omenda ma higani magiwacho ni ok owinjore loki kaka osuru mar sekta no osebedo katiyo.
Here is chair. Other businesses have VAT in, VAT out. Most of our revenues are not VATable. Therefore, VAT is a cost. Because you typically be collecting the net. VAT input, output tax, and you pay the difference. And that's the issue of competitiveness. And that is what we were able to demonstrate to this August people here before, and you have supported us 3 times before in making sure, because you understood that it's part of cost of doing business. When we compare ourselves with other countries, they don't have those taxes. For the last year and a half, we've had more than 30 new aircraft on the AOC register, a KCAA, because of the certainty that was demonstrated by the tax policy. If those, and remember, you're also trying to modernize aircraft for sustainability, etc. If those incentives were not there, people would not actually invest.
Dakana paga buro nyakuram gajuang bang sa chila midambo chenro enamany pinyo yo matin kikidhi mabor.